Hi guys, it's Grace. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing. So last week it was my 16th birthday and I got some money from my mum and dad, and I also got some money from my nan and granddad. I also treated myself to something which I'm just so in love with. Last time I made like a designer purchase, I did an unboxing for you guys. So that is what I'm going to be doing for you all today. I did purchase something again from Louis Vuitton. I sort of went into Louis Vuitton not really knowing what I wanted, purely because I literally like everything they sell. Because I just didn't know what to get. Like, I was like a kid in a candy shop. I was like what do I pick? I don't know, I like everything. We narrowed it down to either this, the Alma, or their new one which sort of looks like a mini trunk. But I went for this one because basically recently I've been stealing my mum's crossbody bag so much because I just find them really sort of easy to wear, and I just really like the look of them basically, and I just thought it would look really nice with many outfits. I can envision myself wearing it a lot, not only during the day but during the evening, because obviously my bag that I bought last time, which is the Noe, the medium sized one, is more of a day bag. I wanted to get this one because it's more of a nighttime bag. So that was the reason why I picked this one. I wanted a bag that I could also wear, that I could wear not only during the day but overnight as well. If I'm going out or like to a party or to like an event. You don't understand how hard it's been to not unbox this. I've been so tempted, but I'm so excited to wear it out shopping today. I'm so excited. So I bought it on Bond Street, and basically they're having their shop renovated at the minute, like their main shop. So they've built a new one on New Bond Street, and it was so busy in there just because it's a lot smaller. So we did have to wait like a good 20 minutes. They got us drinks though, which was nice. And we had a little browse of the bags. It was pretty much between this or the Alma, and I do still love the Alma. It was like the little Alma, like the small one. I do still really love that bag, but I did prefer this one a lot. I love this one so much. The lady was so nice that helped us on Bond Street as well. So I can't remember what her name was, but she was really nice. Pretty good customer service. Did have to wait a while, but that was understandable because obviously it was rammed in there. We had to get like a ticket and wait, and we had drinks, and we sat down on the little table with our drinks and went on our phones. They also gave me some free perfume samples, which was just fabulous. I love their perfumes. When you walk into their shop, you just smell it and it's just like, oh. I love the box so much. It comes with like a bow wrap around it. Should we see what is inside this tag? Little mini envelope, how cute. Oh, I guess it's for a gift. Like if you want to write on it, if it's a present for someone, that is cute. So it comes with like a little pulley thing. So we are just gonna pull this bad boy out. So cute. Okay, so we're opening up the dust bag. Oh my god guys, so the bag that I got is the Pochette Felice. I got it in the classic sort of canvas colour, and it's basically, I think it looks like an envelope. I think it's so cute, and it comes with a chain inside. I'm guessing you put the chain on yourself, but what I liked about it is that you can use it as a clutch, or you can use it with the chain. I'm going to put the chain on it actually, I think. Just because that would be how I probably would wear it. So yeah, I am probably most of the time going to be wearing this bag as a crossbody, but what is great about it, you can take that chain right off if you don't want it on there, darling. It comes with like this gorgeous, like, well, it says fuchsia. It's meant to be fuchsia, but to me it looks like a nice sort of ox bloody reddy burgundy colour, which is so pretty. If you get the a blue and cream one, you get it with baby pink inside, which I think is so cute as well. So it comes in all different colours. It also comes in like the, you know, like the glazed look. I probably should know all these words, but I don't. I'm not a professional here. Yeah, it also comes with the glazed look, but I think the monogram is just my favourite style of Louis Vuitton bag. I think I'll always go for sort of that kind of look. What also made me want to buy it was it comes with a purse, so I could put this in my other bag, and it also comes with a card holder. So you can remove those, put them wherever you want. I think it's just brilliant. So you basically get like a 3-in-1 really. I just think it's amazing. I love it so much. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Sort of so that you guys can sort of compare sizes. This is the iPhone 6S, so it's the same size as like the 7 I think. This is how big it is in comparison, so you would definitely probably fit the Plus in as well, which is good. And you can obviously, it comes with its own purses which are already in there, so I reckon you can fit that, maybe a lip gloss, all the kind of basic essentials you would need in a bag. Obviously I probably would use my bigger one if I was vlogging that day, or if I had other things to put in my bag. I also love the fact that it's the box that it comes with is like miniature. Whenever I'm not using it, I'm going to keep it in here and have it on, maybe on my shelf or something. But yeah, I think that's such a cute little box as well. If you guys are a Louis Vuitton lover like me, I would definitely check this bag out. I did an Instagram story asking if you guys wanted to see this video and you all said yes, so that is why I'm here making it today. I hope none of you took this video in the wrong way. I wasn't trying to brag. I was literally just making it for fellow Louis Vuitton lovers like myself. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you to my mum and dad and my nan and granddad for putting money towards this present for me. That's what I love about Louis Vuitton. I feel like their bags can last you a lifetime. Like, this is just never gonna go out of fashion, is it? It's just gorgeous and it will go with every outfit. That's what I love about the monogram print. Yeah, I think Louis Vuitton is just like the perfect brand to go with like first time purchases. I love it so much. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.